Imagine you just had a cosmetic filler treatment, excited about the subtle enhancements. Everything looks great, but then you notice a little pinkness or redness. Is that normal? You will be glad to know that post-filler redness is a very common and usually temporary side effect. Typically, this redness can last anywhere from just a few hours up to 2 or 3 days following your treatment, gradually fading as your skin settles. This temporary redness is primarily a natural response from your body to the injection process itself. When a fine needle or cannula enters the skin, it causes what we call microtrauma. This slight injury triggers a localized inflammatory response, which includes increased blood flow to the treated area. This increased blood flow helps deliver healing factors to the site, and it is what you see as redness. Factors like your individual skin sensitivity, the specific area being treated, and even the type of filler used can all influence how noticeable and how long this redness might persist. For example, more delicate areas like the lips tend to show redness more prominently and for a slightly longer duration than, say, the cheeks. To help manage any post-filler redness and ensure a smooth recovery, there are several simple steps you can take. Immediately after your procedure, your provider might recommend applying a cold compress or an ice pack to the treated area for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. This helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling and redness. For the first 24 to 48 hours, it is best to avoid strenuous exercise, excessive heat exposure like saunas or hot baths, and alcoholic beverages, as these can all increase blood flow and potentially worsen redness. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated can also be beneficial in minimizing swelling and discomfort. Always follow your specific aftercare instructions provided by your practitioner. Understanding the science behind it offers peace of mind. The redness is largely due to something called vasodilation, where blood vessels temporarily widen as part of your body's protective mechanism. Another fascinating aspect is how different skin types react. People with lighter skin tones, often categorized higher on the Fitzpatrick scale, might experience more visible redness compared to those with deeper complexions, simply because the color change is more apparent against their natural skin tone. Modern hyaluronic acid fillers are designed to integrate smoothly, and this initial redness is just a brief phase as your tissues welcome their new addition. So, while a little post-filler redness can be a normal and expected part of your aesthetic journey, it is almost always a fleeting guest. By understanding why it happens and following some simple aftercare tips, you can feel confident that this minor, temporary effect is just a brief stop on your way to enjoying your beautiful, enhanced results.